Hey guys, so this is my first video. Okay, so this is my friend. Well, actually, this is my sister, but she's playing in the other room right now. But yeah, so basically, what we're gonna do here is that she's gonna take care of the patients, and then I'm just gonna sign them in. So she's already gonna be waiting in room 1 right now. So let me go check in this patient. Okay, so let's take a photo. And really, I'm new, so I'm gonna have my sister like help me soon. But like after this video, I'm gonna ask my sister if she can help me. I will be in room 1. Okay, let me tell her room 1. Even though she's already, no, I'm not gonna tell her because she's already waiting in there. So next patient when I come up. Why is it? Oh, I think it's highlighting it for me because I'm new. Okay, so. Okay. I saw the cameras right there, so. Oh, wait, they don't work. I don't know why it says cams if it doesn't even work. What are those? I have no idea what those are. No. Let me go check up on my sister. She's probably still doing the other patient. Let me see. Oh, wait. So why is she doing that? I'm gonna just do the second patient. Okay, so. I'm drinking water. Sorry. Okay. So now, I don't know. Is this thing glitched for me? I think I might have to rejoin back. Not wait until it starts like getting laggy and stuff, which I don't know, it's just not working for some reason. Oh, I thought I leave. Where do you go? Boo! I'm gonna type boo in the chat. Boo. Bye. Oh, she just said bye. Must be angry. Oh, I have to. Where am I going? I need to charge my PC real quick. Hold up, I'm gonna go get the charger real quick. Oh, wait, never mind. The charger's right here. Ugh. I have no idea who Dr. Pearl is, but don't really know. Wait, why am I still here? The patient is gone. Let me turn to the front. That, oh, so that's open right there. Shift report. Oh, that's a shift report. Oh, Woo! I'm the best! Yay! I see that that's working now. So, should I just go? Okay, so she just said go in room 1, so I'm gonna say okay. So I'm gonna just do what she said. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? That scared me. What the heck was that? No, I'm like stunned. What the heck was that? So I'm gonna just wait here. Okay, I don't see nobody coming to. Bruh. She played this game longer than me, so that's why I listened to her. Or is there somebody? Oh, picture of DNA sample. Drinking water right now. Okay. Okay, so what does she need? Bandages. She needs bandages. Here goes your bandages, meow. Is the simple things that get me in the mood. Oh, I don't have to wait here no more. Just leave the door open. What? What the freak? Yo, what is? Shutters. Use shutters too. Yeah, we need to recheck the. Why aren't the shutters working? What? Okay, let me type in the chat. What do we do? We have to take a pic of them. How? How? What the? So just let me do it. Okay. Yeah, you can go fix it yourself. Where we go? I thought you had to take a pic. Pic. Can we? Sorry, I was on mute because somebody walked in. Yeah, I'm playing this game inside my living room. So if you don't hear me talking for a long time, that means I'm on mute or I'm probably taking a really, really big drink of water. So my sister, she told me there was something outside. So I don't know what she's talking about, so let's go. I don't see nothing. I tell her I don't see nothing. See nothing. She's so whatever, bro. Alright. Okay, so finally she's leaving. Bye. Very sorry, Hannah, that you had to go. You had to go, honey. Okay, so let's open back up the shutters. So we need to check in patients. Okay, hi. I want to check in as a patient. ... Why is the name patient like teal? Is that because it's a roll or something? I don't know. So, oh, I got it. Who are those patients right there, though? They're just... Bro, I think my thing is, like, glitching or something. What is this? What? Oh. Your sanity isn't... Increase sanity? Wait, let me ask my sis what sanity she is. What is your sanity? Casey just said 37. Okay. Get coffee. Really? I can just drink the coffee myself? But being nice. Okay, so is there anybody else that we need to treat remaining patients? Okay, so I'm gonna just go on mute, and then whenever my sister gets done, I'm gonna go back, like, not mute, so I'm gonna be checking the chat, so let me tell her, say done when you're done. I don't know if that really makes sense to her, but oh well. Let me go to the room where she's at. I'm gonna just be like spectating her, watching her. So I see that floor is blinking. So I'm just going to the side and I'm gonna be on mute. Okay, I'm back. So I was checking something on my phone. But yeah, what? Oh, that was. Oh, I thought that was a jump scare right there. Whenever one of us dies. Let me type okay real quick. Whenever one of us dies, then we'll just have to look at the other person if you can spectate them. I don't really know if you can spectate them. Patients treated 3. An anomaly. How come she was the greater person? And I am just the only one. Okay. I know my singing is trash. Let me stop. Okay, I'm gonna tell her to come. Come, miramos. Okay. Alright, let's go. Your face is a jump scare. Let's see what she says. Ooh. I'm offended. And she just said okay. Okay. Sorry about my jump scare of a face, sister. I don't know if I was supposed to press that or not. I don't really care. Because it's literally just pixels. You got. Why do you need a. I'm gonna tell her to go do that. Okay. Now she's gone. Now she's gone. Now she's gone. I don't know if I say anything. Okay, now let me do scan forms. Okay, let me get this. Yes, that's a better What the? Oh, heck no. That ain't her, like, shutters closing. So, that was a sign for me to... What? Mommy? Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh no. I'm scared. Okay, so I have no idea. Okay. Wait, no, I wasn't paying attention. Dang it. No. Oh, is that the haunted creature thing that just left? Because if it wasn't good, then if it was somebody else, I'm just gonna say I'm really sorry. Hello, my name is... What is your name? That's what my sister is doing. Another patient. And let me stamp your forms. Let me take that picture of your beautiful face. Okay, actually, I want to know her. Okay, I'm gonna go check on my sister real quick first. I need to. Cinnamon spiders very well. There you go. There goes my sister. Let me do this. Oh no, she's okay. Okay. Person in room 7. Okay, so. Oh, heck no. Just gonna say, okay. Swishy. Wee! Okay. So. Get under. Ah. Say, I don't care. I'm gonna watch her work. Don't know why she's just standing there. Is she AFK again? Nah, just leave her there. I'm gonna say it's her fault that the patient died. That's where this girl wants to join another game. I'm gonna have to end the video because first we were gonna pick a game. So I picked the game first, and then she picks the game second. And then yeah, but after this video, I'll do just playing the game that she wants to play. Okay, so patient needs maple syrup. But she's gonna be the one that's getting it because this is her patient sis. Yeah, I have no idea what I just said. I'll just say fine, cause I'll record more of this little content later, but I'll record the game that she wants to play, y'all. So, but bye for now. Peace.